1967 Chevrolet Chevelle here at Unique, especially in classics. You can see this one has definitely been modified. I'd throw this one into the Restomod category. Listen to this underneath the hood. Built 572 cubic inch V8 Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the chrome and bright work up front on this one. Custom look chin spoiler. Blacked out. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on Coy's wheels, 5-spoke, kind of a blacked chrome. Cool looking wheel in this car. Drilled and slotted rotors up front, as well in the rear. Black vinyl top, you can see tinted windows on the side, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. Take a look down this passenger side. No major nicks, dings, scratches. Those panels are nice and straight. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out that interior a little bit closer. Start it up, let you hear it run, and this one sounds like it has an attitude. No doubt about that. Custom spoiler on the back, dual exhaust. 3-inch dual exhaust, headers, and X-pipe. Once again, UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see the exhaust I'm talking about in the underside pictures. Be able to see in the trunk, interior, engine bay, every angle of the car. Over 100 pictures of this car online. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this. Does have new sway bar link bushings. Brakes are 85% in the front, 95% in the rear. Did say the speedo was off, and there is a slight drivetrain seat, kind of the normal when a car is driven. In this one, previous owners drove it. Have a little fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Chevelles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Definitely sell a lot of muscle cars throughout the year. Driver's side, nice and straight. Look at the reflection of that paint. Nice, deep, glossy finish. And once again, vinyl roof, nice shape. Let's take a peek in here. Black on black. Door panels look good, carpeting. Seats look like they are newer. Vinyl in great shape. Center console, that 5-speed Tremec. Has a cool aftermarket dash in it. Gauge cluster over here. Shows 3,399, maybe since it was built. Dash looks good. Did not get the stereo to power up. Has a retro sound stereo, but did not get it to power up. All right, let's fire this thing up. Again, 572 cubic inch V8. It is built. Like I said, this car sounds like it's got an attitude. Pause this a second, get the hood open, we'll check out the engine bay, and then stick around to the very end. Jason will take this for a drive too. Good look at the underside of the hood. There it is. Aluminum radiator. Obviously looks like newer. Master cylinder, brake booster, CVF power steering. Nice belt setup. HEI ignition, running a Holly carb. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle that you could say has been modified a little bit to go faster. This is a 5-speed manual. And let's get her out on the road and see how she does. Okay, I'm not doing 110. The speedometer is reading high, but we are having some fun accelerating. This is a fast, fun car. Our tachometer over here is reading 1500. That appears to be working correctly. The oil pressure is 50 to 55 psi. The battery's charging about 14 volts, and the fuel tank is reading a little under half. Down below the dash, we have a temperature gauge that is reading about 180 right now. A little bit of vibration here and there in this car at the shifter, a little bit at the steering wheel when you're really on the throttle. But it is a road-ready car that is fun to drive. The turn signal indicator's light up when I brake. I believe that would be due to some LED bulbs. It's not hurting anything. And our turn signals are still working. I'm in third taking the corner. This car is ready for corners. It corners quite flat. Doesn't lean very much. There's that lovely exhaust note when you get on the throttle. Black on black. I would say mean looking. The spoilers added just make more of that mean effect to me. The tinted windows, the loudness. It is a fun car to drive that looks good. Take a look at all the pictures of this 67 Chevelle at uniqueclassiccars.com.